Hello, hello. Jackie from the basement. Happy with a twist, Acrylic Pores Plus. How is everybody doing this Sunday? Yeah, it's Sunday. Okay, yes. I hope you're all well. I meant to do this earlier, but I pulled a muscle and just did not want to try the stairs. So today I finally, now going up may be a whole different game, but coming down was okay. So today we're going to do a pour on a 10 by 10. And these are just random colors. I need to come down and do things. Do a pour. So I've just been aching to do that. So we've got a cup here that has something in the bottom maybe. Nope, it was on the bottom. All right, let's just layer some colors here. I think I may have to make more of this. And what are you? You're the Amsterdam Titanium White with Floetrol. All right. Start you out in there. And of course, we're going to be using Mixed Media Girls bottle bottom, the small one, or do I want to use the others? Now we're going to stick with the small one. Okay. Now we're going to put some of the Deco Art 24 karat gold in here that I did mix more of. Whoops, okay. That's being a bit aggressive. Alright, look at that shimmer in there. How pretty. And we're going to use some Amsterdam Oxide Black. Boy, I really need to come down here more often. Whew. Forgetting the names of things. Alrighty. Alright, I think from now on I'm just going to plop them into the, without tilting the cup, we're just going to plop them in. Alright, and we're going to go with the Folk Art Color Shift Purple Flash. Okay. And the Folk Art Color Shift Blue Flash. I think the last one I did, I used a little too much of the white for my taste. It came out gorgeous. I enjoyed it. I loved it. But, let's try a little bit less. Well, okay, since I talked about the white, let's put just a wee tab in there. A wee tab? Okay, a wee bit. Alright. Now we're going for the Folk Art Color Shift Purple Flash. Now these Folk Art ones, they are mixed with Floetrol and Artist Loft pouring medium. There we go. I knew it was PM, I just couldn't get the other part out. Alright. And a little bit more of the black in here. The black is mixed only with Floetrol. I want to be sure. Yep. And as is the 24K gold, only with Floetrol. So it will be a semi-glossy when done. Turned on the air conditioner yesterday. Yay. Put the harness on Princess, and it was terribly tight on her. Either she's gained weight or I just pulled it way too close up when I adjusted it last time. So, yes, we went outside. Air conditioner started right away. Very happy about that. There were no dogs next door. No demon dogs, as my neighbor and I call them. Oh, dear. Neighbor said they were probably in the garage. It was relaxing to go out there and just... It was 82 degrees yesterday. Wow. It was relaxing to go out there and see nature again and make sure that my mower did his job correctly. Oh, boy. Those little foo-foos will be fine. All right. We are going to approximate. Now, someday I'm going to come down here with a long yardstick and a pencil and mark the center so I know where things are. All right, so let's just... Oh, boy. Okay, let's just pour and see what we got here. Looks like we might have something kind of pretty going on. Okay, slow it down. Here we go. Yeah, today it was 78 degrees. And tomorrow we go back into the 50s. Okay, Mother Nature, just make up your mind.